Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have got such a treat for you. Well, it's a treat for me really, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. But I've got this lovely parcel all the way from America from my lovely fellow YouTuber and friend NiteMare Bliss. So Mare lives in a place in America called the Poconos Mountains in Pennsylvania, and she has quite a large area of land there, and she has lots of dogs and chickens and various things. But she is an elder goth like me. She likes makeup like me, and she has been so generous and thoughtful and has sent me a box of friend mail. She says there's some makeup in it, so I haven't opened it at all. As you can see, I've just crossed my name out and my address out rather, and I'm going to open it now so we can all be excited together. Now then, how do we do this? We find the edge, which is here, I think. Oh, we try not to cut our fingers off because this is a very sharp knife, and we saw into the tape that's on the box. Yeah, all the way from America this has come. It's so exciting watching the tracking of it, seeing where it got to, and I can't actually open it, so Gordon Bennett, hang on, a cotton picking minute there. This has got to be where it goes in. This has got to be it. I'm just going to saw the box. There we go. So it's a lovely box. It's all what's the word, holographic inside. Look. Ooh. So there's a bit and there's a bit, and where's the actual opening? The actual opening I'm going to take as being like that. And oh, here we go. This is the top, because there's a lovely envelope with my name and a NiteMare Bliss Q code with her details on, and a lovely, and she's got her own stickers. That's her sticker there. Excuse my nails. And she sent me one of these lovely envelopes that you have to wind the string to open and unopen it. Oh, this is the most beautiful paper. Elder Goths unite across the miles with lots of love. Enjoy, my friend. Blessings from Mare. How lovely is that? Beautiful paper. So we'll put that there. Oh, and she sent me a little card from, it's a postcard from Salem, which is obviously, as you know, where the witch trials were. And she sent me this lovely postcard, and it's got Salem, to may concern, every day is Halloween. So I will put some close-ups of things so that you can see them as I go through this excitement. And oh, well, the first thing I can actually see is an Alien Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow. Ooh, I thought it was going to be a lipstick, but it says liquid eyeshadow on the box. So, oh, hello. Oh, look. Alien Cosmetics. It's green, as we know all aliens are. I will do close-ups, I promise. And when it comes out, it's, ooh, it's like a multi-chrome sort of, I don't know what you'd call that, greeny, bronzy, greeny, something. Oh, wow. Wow. That's incredible. So I'll put that here. And then there's something, a little package. Mare, you are so, oh, so lovely. It's a lapel pin from Salem, and there's a little witch on a broomstick on it. That's so nice. And a vinyl sticker, also from Salem, and it says, Salem, Local Witches Union, Peace within, Sky above, Earth below. So that's fairly exciting. I hope to go to Salem one day, but then it might entail ridiculous amounts of shopping, which I don't really want to do, because we're still trying to declutter Wilkes Towers and make it as uncluttered as possible, which means not much shopping. So we've got black bubble wrap, which I don't think I've actually ever seen before. And the next thing, let me just put that down there. Oh, this is so exciting. It looks like a palette. It is a palette. It's, oh my goodness, it's by Rebel Rouge Labs, and it's called Howlin' for You. And oh, so that cover, the cardboard cover, looks like that, which is like a big castle and a moon and some lightning. And then the inside cover is like that, which is green and purple and a big wolf and a graveyard, which is, and some lightning. Oh my goodness me. Wait while I show you this palette. I mean, this is absolutely fantastic. You know, I'm on a palette no-buy this year. Well, this has basically made up for that. Because if you remember, I did a video recently about a palette I won, which was the Beauty Bay Midnight palette, which had all the blues and purples that I'm wearing right now. But this, look at this. And they're called Beast, Electrode, Abyss, Laboratory, Ghosted, Zoinks, Shriek, Menace and Illusion. Oh, I'm going to have to do some swatches of that and insert some footage, so stand by for that. I don't know if I can bring myself to swatch these properly. They're so lovely. I don't really want to make a dent in them. But that's a beautiful dusty rose. And that, because I'm being so gentle with it, that's not coming off very much, but you can tell it's going to be lovely. Right, so there's two more things, very well wrapped up, very safe. Ooh, what have we got here? There's a card. Batty Bean at Shroud Cosmetics. Well, Shroud Cosmetics are a wonderful indie company, and I've never owned anything from them, or even from Rebel Rouge Labs. These are both very, and also the Alien Cosmetics, they're all indie brands that are in America and that I would never usually be able to even think about owning. But thanks to Mare's incredible generosity, and this is all wrapped up in purple paper, Batty Beam and Shroud, the It's Freaking Bats eyeshadow palette. So that's the outside. And let me get the knife and just lift that up. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, one of them's a little bit cracked. Not to worry. I'll just... There, I'll squidge it down in a moment. But look at these. They're lovely. This one, Apparition, has cracked a bit, but that's fine. We can look after that one. We've got Trapper, Grim, Derry, Zero, Adams, Sam, Handbook and Spooky. Aren't they gorgeous? Aren't they gorgeous? And again, I will do some swatches for you of that palette. So here is the It's Freaking Bats palette, and I'm going to try and do some swatches on this one, so stand by. I'm going to try this Apparition one because it's broken. Ooh, that's a sort of a pinky goldy colour. That's lovely. Ooh, look at that. That is the darkest plummy purple ever. That's gorgeous. And Zero, that is lovely. Oh, these are so lovely. And there's more. Mare, I don't know how to even begin to thank you for your Oh my God. Oh my God, it's Kaleidos. Oh my God. It's a brand new Kaleidos tin of lip clays. Now, I have to be very careful how I open this. There's a little tabby thing here, so I will pull that. And get the plastic off. Oh, Kaleidos. Again, a beautiful indie brand that the world and their dog is in love with. And there are 4 beautiful lip clays in there. Oh my God, let's have a look. I'll get one out and then I'll do some proper swatches in a minute. Dahlia. Do you know, that's so bizarre. I've just started reading the Black Dahlia on my Kindle. That is such a coincidence. Dahlia, that one is. That one is Mahogany. That one is Agave. And this last one here is Cactus Flower. Ooh. Let's have a look at that one, shall we? Lovely. Ooh. Ooh, what a lovely formula. It just comes out matte. And feels a bit like clay, hence the name, I would imagine. Oh wow, that's lovely, isn't it? I mean, it clashes a bit with the other thing on there, but wow. And you get the lovely tin, and there's like snakes and what else? Something that looks like I'm gonna say a reproductive organ there, but you know, that's just me and how I roll and how I see things. Other people might see things differently. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and I don't know what to say, Mare. I'm just stunned at this incredible and amazingly generous gift. Thank you so, so much for sending me these things. I don't really know what to say apart from thank you, and thank you again. It's been an absolute treat getting to know you through YouTube and obviously chatting on Instagram, and I will link your Instagram and your YouTube so all the other elder goths that watch this, and baby bats too, can go and watch. I mean, wait till you see. Mare is incredible. She's got this, like, it's a little baby turkey called Cersei that sits on her shoulder in some of her videos. I mean, she won't be able to do that for very long because turkeys get quite big. She's got, as I say, dogs. She does vlogs. She does makeup. She does jewelry. Just all sorts of interesting things that I know a lot of you are gonna be interested in too. So we'll wrap it up there, and I will say don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to, and thank you so, so much to the people that have sent me Ko-fi donations, as it were. It means a tremendously large amount to me because it just helps me pay for things for the channel, like this new ring light in which I am enlivened as I speak. That came through me saving up some of the donations that people have given me on my Ko-fi, and it just helps the channel really. So even if you just go along and have a look at some of the pictures I put up on there and follow me, that would be lovely. You don't have to send me anything if you don't want to, but thanks very much to everyone that does. And I will say my usual sign off, but I have discovered recently that there's this incredible rock band, goth rock band called Vision Video, and they're fronted by the most gorgeous young man called Dusty, and he was always telling people to stay strange, and I advise you to go and have a look at some of their music. And he does have a calendar of himself, which is extremely nice. And from myself, from NiteMare Bliss in Poconos, Pennsylvania, and from all these wonderful indie brands, I'll say, stay strange, everybody. See you next time.